Aloha everybody, my name is Kait Hanson and I'm a Kōloa Rum cocktail recipe creator. Today I'm here to share with you how to make a classic Kōloa Tai Mai Tai recipe in celebration of Mai Tai Day. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is fill a cup with ice. And then in a shaker, you're going to want to add 1/2 ounce orange liqueur, 1 ounce lime juice, 1/4 ounce pineapple juice, 1/4 ounce orange juice, and a 3/4 ounce orgeat. Okay? Then you're going to add 3/4 ounce Kōloa Gold Rum and 3/4 ounce Kōloa White Rum. Give it a shake. And pour it over ice. To top things off, you're going to add 3/4 ounce dark rum for a perfect floater. You're almost done. Be sure to add an orchid for garnish. Happy Mai Tai Day! Kōloa Rum Company is the first licensed commercial distillery on the island of Kauai, where the original batch of premium Hawaiian rum was distilled and bottled in September 2009.